Top 10 fruits. Number 10. Avocados. Yes, technically it's a fruit. Vegetarians and sushi and guac lovers know avocados are a great addition to your diet. In moderation though, since they're a fattier fruit. But about 3/4 of an avocado's calories come from monounsaturated fats, which helps you sustain healthy cholesterol levels. What else? They have anti-inflammatory properties, fight eye and heart disease, can reverse insulin resistance, and contain folate for unborn babies. Number 9. Kiwis. Which has more vitamin C, an orange or a kiwi? Yep, it's the fuzzy brown fruit with the green flesh. Among the kiwi's many health benefits, vitamin C is great for lung health and respiratory problems. The seeds are full of fiber, so your digestive tract will stay healthy. Add to that magnesium, potassium, and vitamin A, and you've got an immunity booster in the palm of your hand. Number 8. Pomegranates. A symbol of health and eternal life, the pomegranate is popular globally as a superfood. It's not the easiest fruit to eat, but it's worth it. Not only is a pomegranate full of antioxidants, fiber, potassium, and vitamin C and B5, the juice and seeds can jumpstart your heart and defend against bad cholesterol and certain cancers. Superfood indeed. Number 7. Apricots. Along with retinol for eye health, iron for anemia and the immune system, and fiber for constipation, apricots boast antioxidants which help fight heart disease, skin cancer, and bad cholesterol. Dried apricots have more carbs, so be careful because they taste like candy. So enjoy them in moderation as part of a trail mix or on their own, but try to find ones that haven't been treated with sulfites. Number 6. Berries. Words to describe strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, and blueberries? How about tasty, versatile, full of vitamin C, and disease-fighting antioxidants? Blueberries get a special shout-out thanks to their health properties. They thwart high BP, macular degeneration, and the brain damage that causes Alzheimer's. And like cranberries, they treat urinary tract infections. We'll give a special mention to exotic berries like goji and acai too, since they're huge in health food circles. Number 5. Cherries. Have trouble sleeping? Try snacking on cherries before bed. Aside from their antioxidant and potassium content, cherries contain the hormone that makes you sleepy, melatonin. Cherries also have anti-inflammatory properties, so they reduce post-workout muscle soreness and can ease arthritis pain. In fact, you may be better off eating 20 cherries than taking a pain pill. Plus, they're a great low-cal snack since they're mostly made of water. Number 4. Bananas. Trainers everywhere ban bananas. Why? Calories, carbs, and sugar. The truth? Bananas don't contain significantly more of these than other popular fruits. They do contain potassium, fiber, and vitamin B6, so if you're healthy and not looking to lose tons of weight, they're great, especially as a pre-workout snack. Try to stick with greener bananas because of their resistant starch, which does lots of good stuff to your innards. Number 3. Red grapes. Red wine gets all the glory, but red grapes are even healthier. Their skins contain resveratrol, which may have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, prevent heart disease and cancers, and help the liver flush out chemicals. There are also a bunch of vitamins and minerals, and unlike red wine, the grapes include fiber, which is always a good thing. But if you really want wine, red is heart healthy. Number 2. Citrus fruits. These fruits are known for being tangy, juicy, and full of vitamin C, which boosts your immunity and helps your body absorb iron. But they're also a great source of folate to prevent birth defects, while the pulp and pith hold phytonutrients for heart health. However, if you're on any sort of medication, be careful about adding grapefruit to your diet as there may be drug interactions. Number 1. Apples. An apple a day really does keep the doctor away. Apples are mega healthy, as long as you eat the skin. Their antioxidants keep your aging process in check, and their fiber keeps your tubes running smoothly. prevents you from binging, and protects against heart problems, bad cholesterol, Parkinson's disease, and certain cancers. Easy to find, prepare, and eat, apples just might be the perfect fruit. Adding any extra fruits and veggies to your diet is a smart move, but like anything, do it in moderation.